Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we will take a look at Sorare World Cup event and join the event to get rewards. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on. Now let's just jump straight into our video. So as we stated in our first Sorare video, which you can watch from the cards, Sorare is a blockchain-based fantasy football game. You collect, buy and sell your favorite football players' cards and join tournaments to get rewards. And we also expect an airdrop from the Sorare team. So make sure to create an account and use Sorare. It's actually fun. And right now there's a special event for the World Cup. So let's sign in to join the event. If you don't have an account, you can just click on sign up here and create your own account. After creating your account, just click on sign in and sign into your account. Now let's choose football. And by the way, if you would like to see more videos about Sorare, let us know in the comments and we'll make a Sorare playlist for you. We will talk about NBA and also MLB content. And as you can see, we will build our team to compete in the World Cup event. So as you can see from the top left corner, we have 100 points budget. And we will use this budget to build our squad. You can see all the different players. We will choose 2 forward players, 2 midfielders, 2 defense and 2 goalkeepers. Now we will only use 5 of these players to build our team, but you're choosing the second one as a substitute. So you're free to build your own squad. Right now I will build my own squad and we'll move on. So as you can see, I built my team. You can see all the players here. You can change the players before clicking on confirm draft. We will have a look at the prize pool in the next phases of the video. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So now let's click on confirm draft. Now as you can see, we will compose our lineup. As you can see, we have 2 options for each position. One of them you will choose is gonna be your main player and the other is gonna be substitute. So I will compose my lineup and we'll move on. So as you can see, I composed my lineup and now it asks me to select a captain. Now your captain will bring extra points to the team. So you have to choose the best player in your team as a captain. And of course I will choose Messi as my captain. Then click on confirm. And now as you can see, we joined the Global Cup event. So as you can see, we composed our lineup. Now let's have a look at the prize pool. So you can see this is the prize pool. The first player will get 3 Ethereum, Star National Series cards, Star Limited cards and Star National Series common cards. The second player will get 2 Ethereum and Star National Series, Star Limited and Star National Series common cards. And the third player will get 1 Ethereum and Star National Series, Star Limited and Star National Series common cards. You can also find the other rewards. And as you can see, everyone gets rewarded. You might not be lucky enough to be the first player to get 3 Ethereums. Even if you just join the event, you will get a Tier 2 National Series common player card. And that's something, right? And you can see all your matches here. And you can also see your team here. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And also make sure to check out our website to start your crypto training completely for free. Just open up our website from the links in the description box below. Scroll down to this part, click on start training and start your crypto training completely for free. At the end of this journey, you will become a coin engineer. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.